Welcome. In this presentation, we're going to look at ThingWorx Operator Advisor. Now, PTC has a number of tools that help companies with enabling their digital transformation initiatives. These are tools, for instance, in engineering, where we have our CAD tools like Creo Parametric and Onshape, and also our PLM tools like Windchill. But what we're also trying to do is cross that bridge between engineering and manufacturing. And specifically in manufacturing, PTC offers a number of tools for what we call smart connected operations and smart connected products, where we can have connectivity of things like equipment onto the shop floor. But we also have a mechanism of delivering work instructions and work orders to the shop floor as well. When we're looking at the interaction between engineering and manufacturing, there are really three tools at play. So on one side, we have the PLM tool, in this case it's Windchill, where we can do the complete digital product definition. And we look at the manufacturing planning, where we can do the digital process planning. We integrate the bills and materials into the ERP system. And in ERP, we define the master schedule, and we deal with things like the purchasing for new materials. And in terms of the digital process planning, we can use those process plans, also known as routings, to drive the execution of work orders on the shop floor, which is typically something that's done by a manufacturing execution system. Now, if we're looking specifically at Operator Advisor, Operator Advisor has two key capabilities. On one side, it's about delivering digital work instructions to shop floor operators. And as mentioned before, these digital work instructions, they can be defined and managed inside the Windchill PLM environment. Now, secondly, Operator Advisor can also be used to execute work orders, to create new work orders and then execute on those work orders. When we're looking at this within the context of digital transformation and especially digital thread, what we're trying to achieve is a smooth flow and connection of information between engineering, manufacturing, and other parts of the organization. With engineering, we can create a complete full product definition. We can annotate that definition with critical to quality characteristics, and we can use that to drive manufacturing annotations within the manufacturing process plan. But in the PLM environment, we can then do the manufacturing planning, where we can create manufacturing bills and materials, and we can define the manufacturing flow that defines how products and components are manufactured. We then deliver that information to the shop floor using ThingWorx Operator Advisor, where we can execute on the work orders and deliver the work instructions to the shop floor operators. As an additional benefit, we can use ThingWorx Navigate to expose information that's held in these corporate systems to the extended enterprise. Thank you for watching this introductory presentation on ThingWorx Operator Advisor.